Well, hello there, unmess Welcome to Courage in Real Life. I am Patrick, your curator of Courage Hacks. So today episode is another fascinating topic. It is about going from insecurity to impact. So one of the biggest struggle we have with our courage is doubt. That's why in Courage in Real Life, we focus on reinstalling courage that was corrupted by doubt. We focus on helping you to master your courage. And so the biggest struggle I had in my life was that I knew a lot of things. I had a lot of skills. I knew I could be this, I could be that. I could take on a lot of roles and responsibilities in my life, but I felt the pressure to be able to articulate it to other people through how to do this, how to have this, how to be this, how to just how to. The problem with how to is sometimes, a lot of time, we start to question, gosh, am I accomplished enough to tell somebody how to do this? Gosh, am I an authority enough that somebody will respect what I'm saying? We start to question whether we are enough. And the whole thing about transformation, when we talk about transformation, it's not this big bang explosion that changed the world in 1 second. No, it's a very small hinge that swings the big door. And the concept of how to how I is one of those very small hinges, a very small shift. So we need to tell our story, because if we are not telling our story, we are holding up the line of everybody waiting for us for their own inspiration, for their own motivation, for their own insights to get started. And the way I started to get past my own doubt, whether we call it imposter syndrome, or we call it insecurities, or whatever name we give, is I started to focus more on how I learned that go from how to how I got past my insecurity to start public speaking. As a matter of fact, my book that is coming out is called Courage Hacking: How I Got Paid to Stutter in Public. How I is a powerful shift. When we start talking about how it immediately invoke our values. It invoke our conviction. It invokes our belief. How it empowers us. When we say how to, yeah, sometimes we feel a little shaky that we are not the authority. We are not the expert. We are not enough to be able to say how to. So, just a simple shift. How nobody can question you, because that's your truth. That's your fact. You are now the authority. You are now the expert. How versus how to. Small shift that creates a huge transformation. Small hinge that swings a big door. And that is your courage hack for this week. Try it. How are you going to apply how to more in your life this week? Just let us know. And I will see you in the next episode of Courage in Real Life. Remember, you are unmess with table, my friend. God bless.